Want to keep an important WhatsApp conversation at the top of your chat list? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to pin and unpin a chat in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, find the chat or group conversation you want to pin. Now, tap on the pin option at the top of the screen. The chat will instantly move to the top of your chat list, and you'll see a pin icon next to it. This makes it easy to access your most important conversations without scrolling through your chat list. If you ever want to remove the pinned chat, simply tap on the conversation again and tap on Unpin icon. The chat will return to its normal position based on the latest message activity. And that's it. You've successfully pinned and unpinned a WhatsApp conversation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.